Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your StumbleGuys data in a very simple way. So let's get started. First, open StumbleGuys on your mobile phone. Once the game opens, you will be on the main dashboard. Now tap on the settings icon. Inside the settings menu, you will see an option called Save Progress with Scopely account. Tap on the Connect button next to it. Now you will see different login options. Select the option to log in with Gmail. A new window will appear asking for your email address. Enter your Gmail account and tap on Continue. Now you will see some terms and conditions. Tick the checkbox and tap on Agree. After that, you will see an option to open Gmail. Tap on it. Now your Gmail app will open, and you will receive an email from Scopely. Open the email message and tap on Create Account. This will open a browser page. Wait a few seconds, and you will see a successful account creation message. Now go back to the StumbleGuys game. You will see that your Scopely account has been created and your game progress is now connected with your Gmail account. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.